couple more details on the Miata.
Is this AI?
AI slop. Yep, I used AI.
slop.
Now just discredit everything that we talk about. Does that make sense?
It kind of looks like a Ferrari California.
The hood scoop, yeah.
The little like square hood scoop.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of this AI-generated version of the Miata.
You draw your own and we'll compare them.
No, I mean, honestly, it does give it's kind of interesting. You can see design elements that were pulled from other vehicles. What is actually going to be different about the next gen Miata? Hopefully not too much. Hopefully they just update it, right?
It's funny you ask what this pulled from because the prompt was the GR86 mixed with the Mazda Miata because those apparently are being co-developed. So the next generation GR86 and the next generation Miata will apparently share a platform. The Mazda's being shorter because it's only a two-door where the GR86 has a back seat. So 3 things we know so far. It's currently in development. They are working on the next generation. They pledge to keep it under 2,200 pounds.
Which is 1,000 kilograms.
1,000 kilograms. And it will keep a 6-speed manual option. Previous reports indicated they were going to rely on some form of electrification, battery hybrid system. But recently, General Manager of Global Sales and Marketing said to Go Auto, quote, that technology is very heavy. At this moment, the internal combustion engine is the way forward. That was like in the last couple weeks.
Nice.
So apparently they're sticking with internal combustion. They're not yet ready to reveal when it's coming. A little bit. Apparently, they're wanting to stick to its roots, and I think that's smart. I think if they can't do that anymore, either for regulatory reasons, because these have a hard time selling in Europe because they can't make it meet emissions. We get a more powerful engine here in the States, and it's getting increasingly difficult to make these pass emissions there. So I think as long as they can keep making this true to its core, they keep making it, and when that's just not possible anymore, they're just done with it.
The critical part about this co-development with Toyota is that this is a GR86 based on the Miata, not the other way around.
Yeah.
The Fiata did not make the Miata worse.
No.
That's true. Oh, yeah. What was that thing called?
124 Spider.
Yeah. But the RX-8 did make the NC Miata worse.
Oh, was this on the same platform?
The NC Miata was an RX-8 that Ford decided we're going to make the NC out of this.
RX-8 had those funny doors, and that's what makes it awesome.
The RX-8 was great. What I'm saying is that basing the Miata on something else is going to make it heavier, which is what happened with the NC. If you're making a Miata based on a Toyota GR86, it's going to be heavier. If Toyota goes, hey Mazda, can we scratch off the badge and put Toyota on it, like Fiata did, great. I know the GR86 is supposed to have a back seat, but it never really did. I don't know if you ever tried to fit in one.
Yeah, it's tiny.
But it never really had a back seat. If they ditch the back seat and just stick a Toyota badge on it, everything's kosher. And also it costs a lot less because the Toyota GR86, if you extend the wheelbase and put in a back seat and you make it a hatchback and you change it so fundamentally from what the Miata is, it's going to cost way more.
I'm going to push back on the GR86 doesn't have back seats thing. Like, think of like a 19, 20-year-old college student, like the guy who buys a GR86.
They'll pile in the back.
They pile into the back of that thing. You did that in your Civic.
And that's people that are buying those.
Yeah, exactly. Like those guys are going to pile. So it has back. If it has seatbelts,
then legally it has back seats.
Has back seats.
And they'll pile in there.
There's going to be 2 skinny 19-year-olds.
And it's like my Civic.
Exactly.
I had friends that were 6 feet tall or bigger, and I fit 5 of us in that 2-door Civic with the 5-foot unicycle. So you made it work,
Yeah.
Like cool kids do.
Yeah, exactly.